WideStep.com delivers an outstanding and genuinely satisfying footwear experience that clearly reflects a deep understanding of comfort, practicality, and modern lifestyle needs, especially for people who require wider shoes without compromising on appearance, durability, or everyday usability, because every detail of the product feels purpose-built to enhance daily movement and long-term foot health. From the very first wear, the shoes provide a noticeable sense of relief and balance, thanks to their intelligently designed wide toe boxes that eliminate pressure and pinching, combined with excellent arch support and plush cushioning that absorbs impact and reduces strain on the feet, knees, and lower back even after long hours of walking or standing. The materials used feel premium, soft, and breathable, allowing the feet to remain comfortable throughout the day while still being strong enough to maintain shape and performance over extended use, which speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to quality and durability. What truly sets WideStep apart is its ability to merge superior comfort with clean, contemporary styling, proving that wide-fit footwear can look sleek, confident, and versatile enough for work, travel, casual outings, or daily errands without ever appearing bulky or medical in design. The soles offer an ideal balance of flexibility and stability, supporting natural foot movement while still providing a secure, grounded feel that enhances overall posture and walking confidence. Additionally, the shopping experience on WideStep.com is smooth and reassuring, with clear product descriptions, helpful fit guidance, and an intuitive layout that makes selecting the right pair simple and stress-free. Overall, WideStep.com stands out as a highly reliable and customer-focused brand that consistently delivers exceptional comfort, thoughtful engineering, long-lasting quality, and stylish wide-fit footwear, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking pain-free movement, dependable everyday wear, and shoes that truly support an active, comfortable lifestyle.